Outlaws Cookout. Today I'm here to make the Outlaw Cordon Bleu. So here's what we got, Outlaws. You got raw chicken breasts right here. I'm gonna be cutting that with a knife. Over here you got cherrywood smoked bacon, ham, Tillamook cheese. I like pepper jack, but if you're the outlaw like me, you gotta have the hot habanero jack because it'll make it spicy, and the outlaw's always about spicy for the outlaw. And for the crust, you have right here flour, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, cooking oil, and milk. And pepper right here for the Cordon Bleu. And then after you're done with the chicken, be sure to spray it with this Clorox right here. And when you're done cooking, be sure to sanitize the surfaces because you don't want to get cross-contamination when you're cooking after you're done cooking the chicken. So first off, what you want to do is butterfly and tenderize your chicken breast right here, as well as have your parchment paper ready on the baking pan tray, so that way you can put your food on here. So we have our chicken, Outlaws, wrapped in the ham, and what you want to do is you want to bake your oven. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And right here you want to preheat it to 400 degrees. And then hit start. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 25 minutes. And then clean up. Time to sanitize. Once it's done, we'll start on the bacon. And now, here goes the bacon in the pan. Don't overcook the bacon, otherwise, and put it on the paper towels. Put the bacon on the paper towels to soak up the oil, and don't overcook it. Okay, so I'm getting lots of cheese out prepared to put in the Cordon Bleu. I'll close that, I don't want to burn myself. So I'm cutting open the Cordon Bleu right here. Make some room to put some bacon in there. There goes the bacon in the Cordon Bleu. You can see why the chicken, the Cordon Bleu is cooling off. I'm making the breading mix. Time to sprinkle some pepper and flour over this chicken. So now I'm going to dunk this chicken inside here. See, whisking it in there.
And put in breadcrumbs.
And then put the breadcrumbs in it as well. Putting it in the breadcrumbs right now. Drain a little bit. Look at all that mixed on there. That made it. Putting the breadcrumbs now. And we'll move it over to some wax paper. And grease going in the bowl. I'm pouring some more cooking oil in this pan. And put the high on. Put on high. Okay, Outlaws, so look, this is all ready to be fried up right now, going in the pan. Okay, so the pan looks like it's ready. It's smoking right here, so I'm going to turn this down to 7 right here. And now, time to put some of the Cordon Bleus in here. Whoa, shoot! Look at that! When I turn it around. And you just let it fry, and you let these fry for a minute each side. All right, cameraman, how much longer? Okay, so it looks good. So now I'm going to put it on the plate. It's the Outlaw Cordon Bleu. Doesn't this look good, Outlaws? Is everybody ready to dig in? So, Outlaws, I just got done with the Cordon Bleu. I'm going to cut open and show you what it looks like and why watching one of my videos. Look at that. Looks like pepper jack cheese. Oh, there's a little bit of habanero right there. Pepper jack and habanero and bacon. I gotta cut this open. God dang it. Making a sandwich. Like I say, you can't review it until you taste it. Just gives it a try. Mmm. A little bit spicy on the habanero. Not too bad. And breadcrumbs right here. Give you a crunch. That was good to put the breadcrumbs mix on there. And tender chicken. And soft bacon. Really good. With the melted cheese. And look what I'm going to drink with this, Outlaws. A Sky Kraken. But you have to go to the patreon.com/outlawsgeneration when you see me do the review on this Sky Kraken. Because I heard it's a really good beer. And one of my good friends says I should try it. I'm going to enjoy this meal and kick back while I watch my favorite show. Deadly Outlaws 5-star reviews. All right, 2 more things and then we're done. All right, Outlaws, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because, like I said, you got to find out what food I cook sometimes. I might even have some of my friends cook them, or I'll cook them myself. Or even you might see Outlaw Senior one of these days. It'd be cool being in the video. All right, guys, and click that notification bell. Like I said, next time we'll get to cooking.